Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just want to make a quick video lesson going over the morning today. Not much action going on, a couple good plays, but really just a whole bunch of nothing. So we got DPRO, that was kind of the main play, gapping up big pre-market. Was just didn't shape out the way I wanted. If this were to consolidate more, I was really looking for that open price play and the 340, 344? Yeah, it was 344. Pre-market high break for a continuation higher, but it just took off right out of the gate and then it just got stuffed from there. So it just made the move at the wrong time, I think. If it were to consolidate a little more, we would have got a better move. Shorts would have been trapped or they would have really gotten squeezed. In this case, there wasn't enough buyers. They all came out right out the gate and then shorts just stuffed that move. Um, we got Pally here, not much, just a big gap up, but then just got stuffed in the mid ones, just following the pattern of what it typically does here. I thought it would maybe change it, but no. 11 million float. I thought we could do something, but that's not the one. What else went on? SOPA, just a quick parabolic move here. What's the news? Earnings. Okay. Oh, okay. She's 891% year-over-year growth. That would cause a move like this. Yeah. I don't know about this. Maybe just wait later on, see if it fails to break down for potential move to test the mid to high fives. But right now, this is just a waiting game, seeing if it fails to break down. Shorts fail to take it lower. It holds up right around four, high threes here. Forms a solid bottom, makes higher lows. Volume comes back, and we break the top off to head higher. What else is there? An RSN, just a little bounce here, but we're still waiting for the real bounce. Ideally, that's tomorrow. It just continues lower today, hopefully. Let's see. RDBX. This thing's surprising me just because it's holding up here. Low flow needs to do better volume, but it's still holding up. And breakout is at 350, 348 to be exact. And I think if this thing continues to keep failing to break down and holding three here, we could seriously get a move back to the mid threes for potential breakout. So I like RDBX. It really just needs volume. Um, but yeah, and then here we got pick. I was looking for a bounce play today. That didn't happen. Still need another day of fading. So we'll come back tomorrow for this thing, see if it fails to break down and starts bouncing. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that's kind of it. Not a whole ton. Um, this thing's coming back. This thing could possibly be a previous high day break if this fails to break down. It is a low float. It is failing to crack, making a higher low here over the 2 days. This could come back and break 294. I think this thing's in business for a nice short squeeze back to the mid threes, ideally higher. I was looking at this yesterday for potential move, but it didn't have it in it late day. But maybe now that it failed to break down, it could bring in some volume, it could take off. So that's just a waiting game there. But yeah, AEHL, we got another breakout, do we? Right? Yeah, I'll call it a breakout right over 125, 128-ish here. Resistance 150-ish, which could also be seen as a breakout if it keeps holding here, breaking out of that range. It could probably get to two. I don't like the price action though. It's very slow and choppy. But it is making a higher low, holding VWAP, holding key levels, low volume or low float. Still kind of low volume. I prefer it to be more, but just keep an eye on this, or maybe just something to learn how breakouts move if this does end up failing. But yeah, so not looking at a whole bunch today, for being honest. Market isn't really offering anything, at least that I'm seeing. Um, yeah, that's kind of it. We'll come back later on with another video lesson. Hopefully, there's something to trade. But I just want to go over the slow morning that we've got here. Um, Yeah, nothing's really moving. We had a crazy pre-market. There was some solid moves pre-market, but just out the open, just some weakness. There's LLL. This thing went off. I don't even know on what. Never really gave an opportunity to buy, if I'm being honest. Um, so sale agreement. Okay. Six. What's that? 60 million sales deal. Oh yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah, considering its market cap is 8 million. It's got a deal with 60 million. Yeah, I could see this thing heading higher. But there was never really an opportunity for me to trade this. Possibly if I'm quick in this area, but besides that, now it's up too much. I'm not comfortable trading this thing. I'm just gonna wait for a bounce play and when it fades and then fails to break down. Yeah, so not much going on. We'll see if DPRO could come back and squeeze shorts over high day. We got what was the other one that was previous high day break? UTME is low volume still, but we'll see if we could get the move on back to 294, 3-ish. RDBX just on watch for now. Nothing spectacular, just looking to see if this thing could come back to the mid threes as it is still kind of holding up. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't really see anything else. If anything pops up, I'll be alerting it on Twitter. So be sure to follow us at Pack-a-Punch Traders. We'll probably be on live stream in a couple hours or at some point today for sure. So we'll tweet when we do that um, as well as like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want some more content. Besides that, I hope everyone has had a great morning, um, and we'll see what the day offers as there really hasn't been much, and we'll come back at you guys later. Hope everyone has a great day.